What if I told you that the richest people in the world spend millions of dollars every year on things you'll never see? Not on yachts, not on private jets, not on diamond watches. Instead, they pay enormous amounts of money for things that are almost invisible. Secret entrances, private islands with no signs, security teams that look like ordinary tourists, doctors who travel with them 24 hours a day, entire hotels emptied before they arrive. Here's the strange part. Most people think billionaires want attention. In reality, the wealthiest people on Earth spend incredible amounts of money making sure nobody notices them. The richer they become, the less they want to be seen. Today, we'll explore why billionaires are quietly investing millions into invisible luxury experiences and private security, and why this hidden lifestyle may be the greatest luxury of all. Before we begin, subscribe for more fascinating insights into wealth, psychology, and the hidden habits of the world's richest people. When people imagine billionaire lifestyles, they picture Lamborghinis, mega mansions, and private jets. Those things certainly exist. But after reaching extreme wealth, something interesting happens. Luxury begins to change. Expensive cars stop feeling special. Designer clothing becomes ordinary. Owning another mansion doesn't create excitement anymore. So billionaires start buying something money rarely purchased in the past. Privacy. For ordinary people, privacy is free. For billionaires, privacy becomes one of the most expensive things in the world. Imagine walking into any restaurant without hundreds of cameras pointing at you. Imagine taking your children to a park without strangers recording videos. Imagine traveling without worrying that someone knows exactly where you are every minute. That peace has become priceless. This is why ultra-rich families often spend millions every year on security. Hollywood movies make security look dramatic. Large bodyguards, black sunglasses, men talking into microphones. Real billionaire security is usually the opposite. The best security is almost invisible. Highly trained professionals dress like tourists. Some appear to be assistants. Others pretend to be business partners. Some blend into crowds so naturally that nobody notices them. Their goal isn't intimidation. Their goal is prevention. If nobody realizes who the billionaire is, problems rarely begin. This invisible approach costs far more than hiring large bodyguards because the people involved often have military, intelligence, or special operations backgrounds. Many train constantly. They study behavior, crowd movement, emergency medicine, cybersecurity, even psychology. They're protecting far more than one person. They're protecting an entire lifestyle. Travel is another hidden expense. Most people think private jets are simply about luxury. They're actually about control. Commercial airports expose schedules, crowds, delays, unknown passengers, security risks. Private aviation removes many of those problems. Some billionaires even use multiple aircraft or change routes without telling anyone until the last minute. Their destination may remain secret until they arrive. Others rent entire airport terminals so they never enter the public areas. The goal isn't showing off. It's remaining unseen. Luxury hotels also offer experiences most people never hear about. Some ultra-rich guests reserve entire floors. Others reserve neighboring rooms simply so nobody else can stay beside them. Some families quietly rent every villa inside an exclusive resort, not because they need the space, because they value privacy more than the extra cost. For someone worth billions, spending another $100,000 to avoid attention feels like a reasonable investment. The average person buys luxury to impress strangers. The ultra-rich often buy luxury to avoid strangers completely. Then there are experiences that almost nobody knows exist. Private museum tours after closing hours. Entire shopping malls opened only for one family. Restaurants closed to the public for a private dinner. Concerts performed for a handful of guests. Historic landmarks visited with no crowds. These experiences cannot simply be purchased from a menu. They require planning, relationships, exclusive networks, sometimes years of trust. The price isn't only money, it's access. Healthcare is another invisible luxury. Many billionaires don't wait until they're sick. They bring healthcare with them. Private physicians, nutrition experts, performance coaches, sleep specialists, medical testing equipment. Some have immediate access to hospitals anywhere in the world. Others undergo detailed health scans several times every year. Prevention becomes more valuable than treatment. After all, if your time is worth millions of dollars every day, staying healthy becomes one of the highest return investments possible. Digital privacy has become equally important. Today, your phone reveals where you are, who you know, what you buy, where you travel. For billionaires, this information can become dangerous. That's why many spend enormous amounts protecting their digital lives. Encrypted communications, private servers, cybersecurity teams working around the clock, identity protection, financial monitoring, personal data removal. Most people never notice these expenses because they're completely invisible, but they're essential in a connected world. Here's where billionaire psychology becomes fascinating. Early success often motivates people to display wealth. Nice cars, luxury brands, expensive watches. Recognition feels rewarding. But after becoming extremely wealthy, priorities often reverse. Attention starts creating problems instead of satisfaction. More requests, more lawsuits, more security concerns, more public pressure. Eventually, the greatest luxury becomes living a normal day without interruption. Ironically, billionaires often spend fortunes trying to experience what ordinary people already have. An anonymous walk, a quiet dinner, a peaceful vacation, freedom from constant attention. This hidden mindset teaches an important lesson. Real wealth isn't always about owning more. Sometimes it's about needing less public validation. The ultra-rich understand something many people overlook. Status attracts attention. Privacy protects freedom. That's why invisible luxury continues growing every year. Not because billionaires want to hide their success, because they want control over their own lives. When you control your environment, your schedule, your information, and your safety, money becomes a tool for freedom rather than a tool for showing off. So the next time you see headlines about billionaires buying another mansion or another private jet, remember this. Those visible purchases are only a small part of the story. Behind the scenes are invisible investments worth even more. Private security, confidential travel, exclusive experiences, digital protection, medical teams, personal privacy. These aren't purchases designed to impress anyone. They're investments designed to protect the most valuable asset they have: their time, their family, and their freedom. Ironically, the greatest luxury in the world may not be something anyone can see at all. If you enjoyed this look inside the hidden world of billionaire lifestyles, leave a like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments. If you had unlimited wealth, would you buy luxury to be noticed or luxury to disappear?